And we're back. Eyes are still a little dilated, so everything's pretty bright. We're going to go live here on YouTube, give the folks a chance that we're here this morning to see what's going on. And Swing Machine is doing a beautiful job. Hope you're having a good day. And we'll retweet this. The program's been running since midnight. I'm very happy with it. I haven't put on a single trade. I haven't taken one off. I haven't scalped it, haven't anything, and just doing its thing. We will continue to test it. I'm not going to get much done today with eyes dilated. They should be back though in a couple of hours, I hope. And let's put a little live marker up here. Let's see here. Live. We'll do it right up here, right? L-I-V-E. Love. We can do that too. Live. All right. And we love this market right now. It's a beautiful thing here. I hope everyone remembers it was just a few days ago. It was just a few days ago. I said to everybody, write it down. If you don't want to trade it, I get it. I know it's fearful. It's tough to do. And when we were down there plumbing around 4,100, everyone was so bearish and everything. And I know it was the Fed, but, Swing Machine was on it. What an incredible trade. Look at this stuff. This is just today. Just today. But let's go back and look at the 60-minute. No, we're not. We're going to go here. Look at the 60-minute. This is going to be 72 hours, 7 grand. Thank you very much. Thank you. How about this one? This is going to be crazy. Can we get the 60-minute in there? Yeah, we can. $11,000. 11,000. Remember, and we, yes, we're looking for a bounce over the last few days, but if you had done this, if a person had gotten an S&P futures contract at 4,200, when we were trading below 4,150, I think we get down to 4,130, and you did that for December, it probably would have cost you maybe 5 grand. You'd be up, at least 10, somewhere between probably 10 and 15 grand. And this is going to be the proverbial Santa Claus rally, but it just started 72 hours ago. And Swing Machine, which is our daily picker, it did it a few days ago, and it's going to be up large. Going to be up large. What a beautiful thing. Hope everyone got a piece. So many ways to do this. You can do it intraday futures. You can, if you go a little bit further out, you can reduce your leverage. You can do it with options. And remember, we said the Russell was really the one that was really, really overdone. 40 points on the Russell. That's smoking good. Beautiful, beautiful. This little program has been running. Reset the scale has been running since midnight, and it's got $792 in the bank. It's been up, it's been down, but mostly up. And let me tell you how many trades it's had. I'm not going to close this out manually. It's been doing all its own trading. And let me go get the results here. The trade manager is going to tell us what it's done since midnight. There it is. Right now, not counting that $800 that we have up there, it's done 1.32. So we bring that into the fold, probably up over 2, but 1.32. We've had 11 trades. It's won on 45% of them. What a beautiful thing. And we've never been underwater on this since midnight. How about that? Never underwater on the account. Beautiful stuff. I'm Bagging On, and this is Stock Market Caddy. Whatever you're doing, if you're getting it done, you're doing it, you're having fun, it's enjoyable, you're not stressed out. You're enjoying it. It's supposed to be fun. It is for us. It is a hoot. And if you're doing it and you get it, just have a, just keep doing whatever it is you're doing, whatever that might be, just keep doing it. If you're not, stop, look, listen, look around, see what's available. And whether you come to us or not, I think that's just a good idea. And decide whether or not you want to keep doing the same old thing, or if you want to learn something new. Today we were discussing with our Ben. Our Ben, he's been a member for a few months monthly, is now going through the Q school. We were discussing, this is where we are. We're discussing strategies, loading in multiple time frames, loading in multiple markets, talking about, setting up hedging strategies. We're just like 3-4 days in. We're going to be together for three weeks plus. Now he comes to us with trading background and some trading experience, but we're peeling it back and getting to know each other, and he's also getting to know the programs, and it's a beautiful thing. Those of you passing by on YouTube, we're going to let you watch into the close. Let's just highlight a few things for you. Now, please understand, right? We're never trying to prove an outcome or anything of the sort. We show you what we're doing when we can show you, when we have the opportunity. We could do that earlier this morning, and we're just getting a shot now. This isn't to say that this is what you're going to do, or that it's automatic. You do need to learn how to do this, right? But let's take a look at the VIX. Here's the VIX. When did it go? Let's see. I'm sorry, that's a daily level. We don't want the daily. I want this on a 5-minute. We can do a daily, but so on a 5-minute at 2:15 today, at 2:15 it turned down again, right? Turned down. But the ES will go right to the ES. And let me highlight a few things for you. Here's the 5-minute ES, 5-minute. It went long at what time? 3:55 this morning, 3:55. If you're still holding it, you're up $3,300. 3:55, just about when the war room in the Treasury opens up, 4 a.m. Now, if maybe you've been trading the 1 minute in the direction of the 5, if you took the 12:34 T time in that direction, you're up 700. How about the NQ? Look at this one, 3:20 a.m. What do they know? What are they doing? $4,000. It's a mini. $4,000. You got 10 of them, 40 grand. Take the rest of the week off. Take the next couple of days off. The Russell, 4:10 a.m. This is all within 10 to 15 minutes at 4 a.m. Why is 4 a.m. so important? It's because the United States has a Treasury war room they call the markets room, where they have a bank of telephones and they talk to all the CEOs and namely all the hedge funds, and they say, hey, Charlie at Citadel, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. Start buying the futures. Okay. And they start buying them. I mean, it's crazy. Check this one out. This is at 3:10. They've been long all day. $3,000, $7,000, $9,000, 10 to 12 grand. Your job? Get in with as little leverage as you can use, not the maximum leverage, as little leverage as you can use, and extract out a little bit. That's all you got to do. Oops. And this is our program running over here. totally automated, putting in this number right here, and we'll highlight it. Let's go get it. Now, our account started on Sunday night, and we've been distracted because we have somebody in Q school, and their education takes priority over everything. But we did good, about $3,000. Now, this wouldn't have been enough to even get us honorable mention on the CME, but we're not playing YOLO. We're not trying to, double our money. We're not trying to take 25,000 and turn it into 50 or 75 in 5 days. No, we're going to trade responsibly. We're going to use minimal leverage. We're going to stay in the market a minimal amount, and we're going to get cash flow. And at the end of the week, we're going to carve out $3,000 or whatever we got and send it into our other account, our non-trading account, to go do something else with that money. Then we're going to come in next week and do the same thing over again. Oops, here it was. I drew all that stuff, and I guess I wasn't on the right tool, so I'm sorry about that, but I won't. I guess I can do it. We can do it again. It takes a second. Here it is here. Oops. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. There it is. It's crazy. And if you've been listening to our live sessions over the last few days, I've been telling everybody, get ready. We're getting ready to go long. Market's going up. And here's even oil. Got somewhat of a view. Any questions? Let us know, folks. Enjoy. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to close this trade, and we're going to turn off the strategy. So we're done. We've had a very nice day. 1551. Let me tell you, since midnight, exactly the performance now. It's done, and we've shut it off. Let me generate a report, digital report. And there it is. Profit factor of 1.62. We made $1.62 for every dollar we lost. We had 12 trades, all robotic, and we won on 50%. Just fine. Beautiful thing. We were never underwater. We were in average time in trade, 50 minutes. Average time in trade. Let me see if I can tell you average time. How much time were we in the market? We had one loser for 700. We had another loser for 147. We had another loser for 500. All manageable. And oops, what's going on here? Here we go. So I want to see how much time we were actually in the market. Percent of time in the market. We were in the market 79.34%. So we were in there pretty good. The trading period was 12 hours and 41 minutes, and we were in the market 10 hours. The longest flat period was 19, but we're going to be flat into the close. Do you have that kind of visibility on your trading? Can you, at the push of a button at the end of the day, know exactly what you did? Are you keeping score like that day in and day out? Do you put it into a book, either a digital book or a digital binder? If you're not, how do you know what you're doing? How do you know if you had a good day or a bad day? If you are grading yourself on just the money, then you're grading greed and fear. It's entirely possible that tomorrow I make more money and don't trade nearly as well. We're doing this. We're trading as a business. Okay, everybody else is high-fiving each other on how much money they made. And oh, I gotta, those guys, they ring the bell. Bang! I got 300%. I got a 3-bagger. I got a 10-bagger. Bang! All the high five guys. That ain't us. No. Nope. We're just doing our thing. Really boring. Just come on in, get into the market, get out, extract what we can, and move on. Find something else to do with our day. We're going to let you watch. I'm not going to bend your ear until 4. Anything I can help you with, let us know. If you want a free scorecard, just send us a request. If you haven't got it, we'll send it to you. And we're reserving Q schools as far out as, well, we're reserving them out into next year. So, just know that it's first come, first serve. And we can schedule them out when you have the time, when you're ready. But have fun, everybody. We'll let you watch the close. Okay, the market is getting ready to wrap up in the last 6 or 7 minutes. And once again, we thank the folks that stop by on YouTube. We try to periodically show you what's going on. And, you know, up to yourselves, right? We're ready when you are. And provided, we have the spot open so you can reserve them in advance. Every year, we have a limited number of licenses that we issue. So, when it comes to annual membership. Monthlies are unlimited. Okay, so we're going to wrap up. Pretty nice day. Fully robotic, 12, or what is it? Maybe 12, 16 hours, midnight to 4, whatever that is. I think it's 16. And $1,551.20, fully robotic here, trading one mini contract on the NQ. 10 trades, 50% winners, profit factor at 1.62, just about right on top, almost right on top of its performance. And this is what we're tracking. This is the performance report over a few weeks, 1.89. So that'd be a beautiful thing. Keeps doing that. And there it is, over 300 trades, 50% winners, and could potentially give us a hell of a performance. This is a back test. This is an example. This is what we're shooting against. Do we do all that? We might do more, or we may only do a portion of it. It is just a, oops, let me see here. I'm trying to get rid of that. But okay, well, we'll get rid of it in a moment or two. But if you have any questions, this is a swing machine, 5-minute from 3:55 a.m., $3,000, quite a bit of money. Our job is, well, swing machine's job is to get you over the target, get you where the fish are. Your job, get the fish in the boat. Good luck, everybody. Reach out anytime. Any questions, let us know. We're just about to shut down. We're going to reboot our computers, get them back on. We'll do a little bit of trading tonight. May or may not be on YouTube, maybe later. And but feel free to check out the website. Email us any questions. Give us a call, 813-758-8263. Unlimited monthly, limited annual memberships. No one program is for sale. It's a all or nothing. Annual member, you get everything. More valuable than any one tool is the instruction on how to use them and get you underway. That is, if you're truly interested in playing and trading your own game. It isn't for everyone. I wouldn't suggest that it is. Those that want to, though, will know when they see it. Good luck.